of my curtain. Let's see, maybe if I just adjust this down a little bit. Nope, nope, like that. There, it just had to do with the angle of the computer. All right, let me grab the live stream up here. Is this on? Make sure that it's muted so that I don't give you guys any feedback. I'm going to do a really quick live stream today. I am actually writing a second book right now, an ebook. I was inspired to write it on Sunday. And so, you know what? I just did it. I just started, and yeah, kind of crazy. But I am going to be writing the book all week and hope to have it published. My best friend is helping me edit it right now. And so I am hoping to have it all done, up and ready to go by this weekend, right? Kind of crazy. The first chapter right now is probably the hardest because it's the most detailed. After that, I think I got this, and it's going to be a lot easier to write, and it's pretty much everything that I talk about all the time, but I figured, you know what, maybe I should just put it in a book, right? Maybe I could help more people putting it into a book. All right, let's get the charts up, and I now have the chat up, and let's see. Hi, AP. You were the first. Yes, hello, Terry. Terry, you weren't for the first today, unfortunately. I know, Jesus is King. It's gonna be coming. It's gonna be coming. So, all right, so we got the SPY up. Love the 45-minute chart. We are hitting the 200 SMA. We went through the 161 EMA, 200 EMA, 200 SMA, and we sort of stalled right there. When we look at it with the 24-hour chart over here, we also hit the 161 EMA and the 24 EMA. That tends to be my trend change one now. 24 hours, 24 EMA. So looking to see, are we going to start to see bigger prints coming in, dark pool prints, sell off? Potentially we will, right? Let's also look. So right now for the list today, if you guys are interested, I'm here at 8:15 in the morning. It is literally $1 a day to have access to me building my personal live stream live, and you can ask questions. So join me in the morning and you'll be able to see, look at this, there's a nice $4.45 move, actually $5.25 move off of 439 today. So you would have been prepared, you would have seen why, all that good stuff. So come and join me live in the mornings. Have your coffee. I might be in a bathrobe. I might have just done a spin workout. You get to see me fresh on the screen. Maybe not fully awake, but that's okay, right? All right, let's check out the cues over here. And we can see as well, above 340, we also had a nice almost $6 move today. The Russell today as well, moving to the upside, had a nice $3 move off of that 198, actually $4 as well. And the Dow Jones also bounced $3.50 off of, or $3.40, 20 cents off of 345.40. So you can see these levels work. So just, come and join me and we'll do it all together. All right, let's check out plug. For the list today, I also have this set up over here. Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon are 28% of the cues. So if we start to see them having a bigger move, we're definitely going to have a bigger move in the cues index and also in the S&P 500, right? So let's look at plug. Plug today, I had, if we can break out about that resistance of 28.40, nice potential move. Nope, didn't happen, but we bounced off of that support level of 26.60 and we had a nice move from there. So if you'd been patient and you wanted to wait and see, hey, look, it did have a bounce. Many times I will use this as a no trade zone. Don't want to trade in this area. Oracle as well today, nice move off of Oracle. a dollar move off of Oracle up to those moving averages, you got to put them on your chart, right? They stop in thin air if you don't have it, right? Oh, why was it potentially moving, right? Oh, no, that's not what I meant to do. All right, so nice bounce on Oracle. Of course, it's easier when everything is moving to the upside to see a nice move to the upside. Shell as well had a nice move on the 24-hour chart. It does look like it wants to potentially fill the gap back down to 57.50. We will see if that does happen. Right now we're holding the 50 simple moving average on the 15-minute chart. CCL as well, nice move to the upside. CCL and American Airlines do tend to trade in tandem. And we sort of had an extension, pullback, and now we have a secondary surge. Are we going to be able to break above 2009? We had that test 2008 today, almost there. So keeping that on watch to see if we're going to break out above and then head on up to 2087. American Airlines today also had a nice move, bullish engulfing. We did test a downward trend right here. We have some clear skies for American Airlines. Not clear here. We do have a snowstorm going on April 19th, and we have a snowstorm. Looking to see if we will be able to hold above 1976. We tested it at 1980 today. Are we going to move above that, test the 20 area, and then move on up to 21? We could also see 2050 right here, looking back in the past on the daily chart. So we had a nice move, bit of a sell-off, consolidation. Are we going to come back down, potentially down to 1930, or continue up and head up to that $20 mark? Twitter, right? Twitter, everybody's talking about Twitter, tweeting about it. And, you know, the fact that the Twitter board did not accept a premium for the stock price does mean that the board did not act in the best interest of its shareholders, which is kind of like a class action lawsuit, because they're supposed to always act in the best interest of the shareholders. So I actually asked a lawyer if they were going to do anything about it, Palm Law, if they were going to do anything about it, because they're supposed to really act in the best interest of their shareholders. And they turned down, if you actually read, let's see if I can find that really quickly for us. If you actually read Musk's offer, he states that it was at a premium, right? It's actually in the filing. Let's see if we have it here on CNN. On this, it explains like 28% premium from January. Let's look back here. Let's go really quickly. Let's expand this. And 35% premium from when he started to invest was supposedly what it was. Okay, so year to date. So from the year to date, he had made the offer for $54. So $54.50 right there, 24% premium from the beginning. And I believe he started buying down here maybe, or it was down here. Maybe it's down here, where it was a 38% premium, right? Yeah, 38% premium from when his filing that he was purchasing. So he said, I'm actually offering to buy it at a premium, right? And that's in the best interest of the shareholders. So why didn't the board participate and say yes to his offer, right? What's their reasoning in not acting in the best interest of the shareholders? Right? Makes you go, things that make you go, We also had NEO moving up today. So a lot of stocks were moving to the upside, as with the indexes, right? So we look here, we have NEO moving to the upside. We also have Roblox. My daughter is big into Minecraft now. Well, she thinks it's Minecraft, but it's on the Amazon Fire. And as long as she thinks it's Minecraft, I'm okay. She's like, yeah, Mommy, I want to play Minecraft. Okay, cool. I don't see it here. Oh, it's this one, Mommy. Okay, good. No problem. Play that one. So we have a nice rebound, bullish engulfing right here. Are we going to be able to take out this past week over here of $45. If we break above 45, hey, that means we've taken out all of this volume. Our next test would be over here, 46.40, and a good chance that if we were to break above that, that's the highest volume recently. We did take out yesterday's volume. Today is Tuesday, yeah. So that would be, we took out Monday's volume, pretty high, bullish engulfing. The founder's pay jumps to 233 million. Awesome. Apparently the stock likes it, right? And the market likes it, and they've taken it up. But we are probably going to hit some resistance over here. $43 would probably be a resistance point at which we'll see it reverse back and potentially come back down. If we can close above 42, a good chance that we could see that this will continue to the upside longer term. All right, let's check out Kroger. Janet Yellen came out. I don't know what time it was, but she said, you know what? Yeah, we're going to see 10 million more people going into poverty based off of food prices. And what did the market do? It just ripped higher. Apparently the market likes that the populace is going to start to go into bankruptcy and foreclosure and everything like that. They're just taking it higher, right? Part of inflation. Let's just take it higher, right? Yeah, I'm actually writing about the Fed right at the moment and trying to keep the new book really simple. And what do you guys think? Okay, I'm going to put it in the chat here. Should I do a pre-sale for my new ebook on Amazon? Okay. Yes or no? Okay. There we go. So put it in the, if you guys are here, first of all, hit the like button. If you guys like what you're seeing, share with your friends, and please answer the poll because I would love to know if you guys want to have it as a pre-sale or not, right? So take 2 seconds, answer the poll, please. All right, and Baba, right? Baba had a nice downward turn. This has just been really moving to the downside. I don't know why it's on the daily. I want it more on the 24. It's been moving to the downside, but we're starting to see maybe, just maybe, the volume is waning a little bit. So are we going to see this bounce and move to the upside? Down here, look at how extended it became. And then we saw a rebound back up to that 24 EMA. Then we bounced off of it and we broke down again. So looking to see, are we going to, we tested the area over here just below, and awesome AP. Are we going to see this continue and fill this gap? We would have a nice $78. This is a classic move. Let's test the gap and buy it up a little bit, maybe go sideways and then really drop it, or that's the bottom. So we'll have to see from here if we can take out yesterday's and we can really break above like 101. If we can fill this gap up here, go above 103.50, $10, then I think we're really going to see this move to the upside. All right, do you guys have any stocks that you want to check out today? Put it in the chat. We'll look at it. I'll give you my opinion. As always, I am not a licensed financial professional. I did have my license 20 years ago, but not now. And so all of this is based off of my personal opinion. Let's check out my crypto list today. See what's going on over here. XEM is looking like it's rebounding a little bit over here. Let's look at it on the big picture. It looks like this one does pay you to hold it. Neem, Tether, Solano as well has nice move. Looks like we maybe are having an inverted head and shoulders over here. Tesla, you're always loving Tesla. There, Terry. So Tesla looks like we're breaking out right here, right? We had earnings coming after hours tomorrow. So be very careful holding this overnight. Are we going to see this break up above 1040? We did test this area over here. It tested as resistance. I would wait to see where we end up today. The moving averages are starting to curl up. If we can get the pink one over the purple one, the 4 over the 8, we could be in a good place to see this surge higher. Maybe this is for those Elliott wave traders, 1, 2, and maybe we're about to have a massive move. I keep saying, hey, 1440, 1340 is a good target for Tesla. So we could very well see that will happen based on earnings. They did have massive production numbers this year, so we could very well see that that's going to happen. I do have Shiba over here, AP. So right now, I'm more of a longer term swing holder, hodler for crypto in itself. I do own some Shiba, nothing big, but I own a little bit. And right now, we're just below the moving averages. The really big volume was when it dropped down over here. And are we going to see, I'd really say, hey, look, let's check this out. If we can break up above over here, and as long as we can hold this as support, I'd watch and see. When we break out up above here, awesome, love it. If I were to get in here, I would use this area as my, if we have a daily close, I'm gonna get out, right? So that's how I would look at it. For the XLM is just sort of going sideways right now, but I do like this one longer term. Let's see. Once we break up above 23 cents, we're really going to see this one move, in my opinion, to the upside, and could be an amazing growth there. Also with Cardano, very similar chart. They all sort of mirror Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin tends to somewhat be like the SPY, right? If we see that the crypto market, Bitcoin is dropping, then we tend to see the rest of the crypto area drop. Let's check out the crypto bubbles as well. So cryptobubbles.net. We can see we've had 64 billion. I like to do it based on volume. Transacted on USDT. We are starting to see more. I love this. You can click on it, move this around. I want to move XRP up here where you guys can see it. So XRP, we're seeing 2 billion on XRP, right? I want to move the USDT over in the corner. No, just kidding. All right, we've got Doge, 755 million is traded on a 24-hour basis. We've got Luna that's up to 2.93 billion. So XRP isn't too far away from Luna over here. Based on volume, Binance coin as well is right hanging around there, right at 2 billion. Tron is close to, somebody keeps sending me stuff about partnering with Tron on some project. I don't know. I'm very skeptical about partnering with crypto companies because there's 10,000 of them, and unless I actually get to know that crypto company like personally, doing full research with the white paper, everything like that, I will stay far away from it. And I remember back in 2017, I was like, what is a white paper? What is this? And then I dove into it. And that's a lot of what my book is about. So it's going to be all about the new crypto world that we are going into and how to position yourself for it. So I'm going to make it super affordable too for people and probably turn it into an Audible book, but writing it is going to be number one. Audible might be easier though, and then I could transcribe. Well, anyways, we can see the number one size as well here based off of volume. We've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Binance, USD Coin, XRP, Solana, Cardano's right there, Polkadot, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu's hanging around just at 500 million. And we go on down and let's see, I want to see Stellar's down here even less than Shiba. Isn't that crazy? Algorand too. Why is Algorand right there? Oh, it's based on market cap, excuse me. It's based on market cap valuation. There you go. Any other questions that you guys have today you want to look at? Otherwise, I will wrap it up. I think I might go get my nails done or write the book. I can't get my nails done at night, but I can write the book. I'm gonna get my nails done. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please send them on over to Jane at CJ and Trade. If you like the live stream and you want to join me in the mornings, go ahead, sign up as a member. You will have access in the morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern. And if you want to buy me a coffee, I am a mom of two. There's a link to buy me a coffee down below. Who doesn't need coffee, right? Or some caffeine. I've actually also gotten into drinking rooibos tea and chaga tea. So some cool new things. Hope you have an amazing afternoon. Carpe Profit sees those profits one trade at a time. I'm about to head out into the wintry wonderland up here in Canada in the middle of April, right? Shoot me an email, AP, over at jane@cjanetrade.com. All right? At cjanetrade.com. There you go. All right. Have a great one. Bye.